Learning English Speaking.
Hi everyone, in this channel, we provide interesting and easy to pronounce stories for learning English, as well as daily conversation between family or friends. I hope you like it and that it helps you learn English. For more of this interesting educational content, please support us with the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all for supporting this educational content.
Understanding fast-spoken English can be challenging, especially if you're not a native speaker or if you're not accustomed to rapid speech. Here are some strategies to help you improve your ability to comprehend fast-spoken English. 1. Practice listening regularly. The more you listen to fast-spoken English, the better you'll become at understanding it. Watch movies, TV shows, news broadcasts, and YouTube videos in English to expose yourself to different accents and speech patterns. 2. Use subtitles or transcripts. When watching videos or listening to podcasts, use subtitles or transcripts to follow along with the spoken content. This can help you connect spoken words with their written forms and improve your comprehension. 3. Slow down the audio. Some media players and online platforms allow you to control the playback speed of audio or video. Slowing down the speed can help you catch more details and understand spoken English more easily. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the speed. 4. Expand your vocabulary. The larger your vocabulary, the easier it will be to understand fast speech. Try to learn new words and phrases regularly and pay attention to how they are pronounced in natural conversation. 5. Familiarize yourself with slang and idioms. Slang, idioms, and colloquial expressions are commonly used in fast-spoken English. Learn popular phrases and expressions to help you understand the context of conversations. 6. Immerse yourself. If possible, immerse yourself in an English-speaking environment. Living in a place where English is spoken as the primary language will force you to adapt to the pace and nuances of fast speech. 7. Practice listening comprehension exercises. You can find listening comprehension exercises in resources online. These exercises are specifically designed to help you improve your ability to understand spoken English. 8. Identify stress and intonation patterns. Pay attention to the stress and intonation patterns used in spoken English. These cues can help you understand the meaning and context of a sentence. 9. Context clues. Try to derive meaning from the context. Even if you miss a word or two, you may still be able to understand the overall message by considering the context. 10. Converse with native speakers. Engaging in conversations with native speakers will expose you to real-life fast-spoken English. It will also help you become more accustomed to the rhythm and pace of spoken language. 11. Listen to different accents. English is spoken in various accents and dialects worldwide. Expose yourself to a variety of accents to become more versatile in understanding fast speech. 12. Patience and persistence. Understand that improving your ability to understand fast-spoken English takes time. Be patient and persistent, and don't get discouraged by initial difficulties. Remember that improving your comprehension of fast-spoken English is a gradual process. By using these strategies and regularly practicing, you can make significant progress over time.